I want to thank everybody that had participated in my sweepstakes. I am excited to have you here all on board of this great adventure. I want to make everybody a winner. I want to give all of you a gift. And this gift is $5 of any quilt pattern in my shop. The link will be down in the description below. Hello and welcome. I am Jackie with Jackie Russell Creates, where I talk about everything quilting and embroidering. I give tips, tricks, and techniques so you can conquer that next sewing project. I would also like to invite you to join my YouTube membership and join my tribe so you can get some more tips and tricks along this great adventure. How fun would that be? All you have to do is hit that join button that's beside each of my videos. Now, for the winner, woohoo! First of all, I want to thank Rhonda Gage. She was the one that shared her link, and the winner was referred by her. So thank you for sharing. I really do appreciate that. So a big congratulations to Vicki Stevenson. Vicki, please check your email for instructions on how to claim your box. But for the rest of you, stick around. We have 5 more drawings. Not 1, not 2, not even 3, but 5 more drawings. So you have plenty of more chances to win one of these great creative quilting boxes. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So then you know the next time I upload a video, and upload a video like this next month to see if you are the winner. Until then, happy quilting, my friends.